Today we're making risotto, mushroom, asparagus, and leek risotto. Don't be overwhelmed by the number of ingredients that you see or hearing that risotto is hard. Risotto is not that hard. It's actually really easy to make risotto. See how it's expanding? The rice just blowing up with all the liquid, with all the asparagus isn't overcooked, and the mushrooms are really like earthy and meaty. You're really getting some fragrance off of the thyme, off of the lemon zest. The Parmesan cheese just really adds to an overall seasoning. If you enjoyed this recipe and like to learn more, please subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button, leave a comment. Tell me how you like to eat your risotto. What do you like to put in your risotto? And if anything, don't forget, feed your soul. Ciao.